Hello friends, welcome to Orange Blast. I'm Meghna. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick Christmas decoration with the stationery available at home. For the decoration, I have made cutouts from glittering sheets. We'll be needing Fevicol and ice cream stick. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay guys, so our nice geometric design or our decoration is ready. This decoration can be used as a mobile or on your gifts to give them a more festive feeling. For more fun-based activity learning, subscribe Orange Blast, and you can also follow Orange Blast on Instagram. Thank you so much.